In this video, I'll guide you through how to request an e-transfer on Cibc. Whether you're splitting a bill or receiving payment for services, knowing how to request an e-transfer can make transactions smooth and efficient. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to open the Cibc mobile app on your device. Once you've launched the app, sign into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to the main dashboard, where you can see an overview of your accounts and recent transactions. Now, look for the option labeled Move Money in the main menu and give it a tap. This will take you to a new screen with several options for managing your funds. From here, select Interact e-Transfer. This feature allows you to send and receive money quickly and securely. On the next screen, tap Request Money. This is where you can initiate your e-transfer request. You'll be prompted to choose a contact. If the person you're requesting money from is already saved in your contacts, simply select them from the list. If you're dealing with a new recipient, tap on New Contact. For a new contact, you'll need to fill in some details. Enter their name, preferred language, email address, and phone number. It's crucial to double-check this information to ensure your request reaches the right person. Once you've entered all the necessary details, make sure to save them for future transactions. Now that you've added or selected your contact, it's time to confirm the recipient information. At this point, you must also select the account where you want the money to be deposited. Take a moment to ensure you've chosen the correct account, as this is where the funds will land once the transaction is completed. Next, enter the amount you wish to request. Be clear about the amount to avoid any confusion. Once you've entered the figure, tap Continue. This will bring up a summary of your request, allowing you to review all the details. Double-check everything, from the recipient's information to the amount and the deposit account, to ensure there are no errors. Finally, if everything looks good, tap Request Money to send your e-transfer request. The recipient will receive a notification, and once they fulfill the request, the funds will be deposited into your selected account. And there you have it. That's how to request an e-transfer on Cibc. It's a straightforward process that, once mastered, can save you time and effort whenever you need to request money. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful banking tips and tutorials.